vlog ang aming mga kasamahan na andyan sila sa tawiran. Ano? Kaya
Lalike mo ha.
umikot na pala doon, oh. Bawal lumaktaw. Bawal na maglaktaw yan.
Ang entrance.
Oo.
Bigat kilo na may bigat na eh. Papayungan kita.
Ayan mga ka-vlog ang aming kasama ko.
Anniversary.
Ayan, oh, nakaputi.
Want to greet some people, you can greet them. Pwede kayo mag-alagita or kapila, we'll greet them for you.
Alright, brothers and sisters, nandito naman ako ngayon live near the I Love My Household photo wall. And we are inviting everyone to join us again for an exciting day from our sponsors.
Yan siguro, no?
Speaking of our sponsors, we would like to thank them. Of course, our favorite social communication arm, Ablaze Communications, setting the world on fire. Live for real with Smart, PLDD, Humanity Group, San Miguel Corporation, and Baitian. Salamat po for joining us in our 43rd anniversary and for continuously supporting the vision of Couples for Guys. Alright, brothers and sisters, come on, join me here for a live game. Becca and Biloba, ating mga sponsors. Alright, sort of. Here, come here. Okay, I can see how very vibrant fastest growing ministry of Couples for Guys, Youth for Christ. Come on, join me. Exciting to.
Ayun pala yun, oh. No. Yan nagsasalita yan, oh.
Lanyard!
Nawara na makasana yan na pala.
Okay, isa pong probinsya. Ginawa po nilang provincial conference ng ating segment. Okay, nauna po yata si Tita Jel. Tita Jel, where are you from? I'm from Chapter 1, Lakar, Cavite. Wow, Cavite strong na naman po. How very active. Okay. Sige, sabay-sabay po natin batiin. Happy 43rd anniversary, Couples for Guys. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations. Thank you to all our sponsors. We will be back later for questions and for prizes. I'm Abby once again and bringing you back.
At saan sila sa?
And Diana. Alright.
Kapila natin.
Thank you to all.
Ay, hindi pa nakapila.
So, brothers and sisters, I welcome all of you are excited.
Maraming tao dito. Ano yun ba kaya ito?
Magkakakas dito yun.
Hindi pa nakapila si sis? Abay.
Hindi.
Try mo yung itigin.
Ang